Greetings everyone, welcome back to my craft room. Heather here. So today I'm sharing a little haul. I know, I'm on a spending freeze, I know. And I am, with the exception of anything that needs to be refilled. However, there are some things that I absolutely do not have in my inventory that I kind of need, especially for the month of February. I honestly had no intentions, before I get into the box, I had no intentions of buying anything. And then I realized that this month marks a 26th anniversary for me and my husband, a 7-year anniversary for my oldest daughter, and my youngest daughter is getting ready to get married. So I need anniversary cards and wedding cards. So here I am. I was scrolling on Facebook and lo and behold, Unity had to show me this one stamp combined with this other stamp, and I went down that rabbit hole. Luckily for me, they were having a sale, so I jumped on that little sale and stocked up. So I've never bought from Unity before. I have been gifted some of their stamps from other stamping friends, but I've never purchased from them. So I'm super excited for this box. So, without further ado, oh, this is exciting. Sorry, I'm so excited. So, the first thing I snagged was this. It's called I Did, I Will. Beautiful red rubber. Love red rubber. Let's see. Happy anniversary. Today, tomorrow, and always. To my favorite couple. So that would be perfect for my oldest daughter because of her 7th anniversary, because they are my favorite couple right now. However, it'll soon be tied with my other favorite couple, which is my middle child. Here's to your day in life and your enduring love. Love that. Happiness always. I do, I always love you. So that's perfect for my husband because it's after 27 years. He still annoys me and I still love him. Wishing you many more years of joy and happiness. So definitely looking forward to playing with that. And then, ooh, this is the stamp that sold me on going on to Unity. And it was this Love That Lasts. Look at that sweet old couple. And then the demonstration that sold me was where they stamped this, colored them, and then overlaid it with this, like right above, in a light ink. So it looks like a shadow. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that was my intent. You two are the perfect example of what true love looks like. Your love story is an inspiration. I just think that's adorable. So, and that's a pretty good size. I like that. Not too big, definitely not small. Perfect. So, looking forward to playing with that. And the next adventure one I got was A Day to Treasure. So I got this for my daughter's upcoming wedding. I just think it's perfect. It looks like even his haircut, so that's cool. Congratulations to the happy couple. This moment is just the beginning of a beautiful life, and treasure this day. So that is, and it's good size. I mean, nice. I like the size. So that, I think that's pretty much it I got for wedding, but then they had a sale, so I jumped on that. And of course, I couldn't resist the impeccable silhouettes. I love my chickens. My ladies are my life, including my wiener dog. So yeah, you are impeccable with little baby chicks. The little chick feet I love. Those are just so cute. And then the silhouette. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. And then of course I am a Dotson owner. She's miniature. And so I had to get the Dotsy Apology because that is adorable. Look at that. Oh, look at that detail. That's pretty cool. And so the sentiments are, I'm sorry, I was a weenie. That's so cute. And my best friend, she has 4 miniature Dotsons, and so I need to send her one. Because they are puppies, and they're just creating so much havoc in their home. And this is a cute, like, you know, get well card. You're feeling yucky. You're going through a hard time. So I love that. Absolutely love that. And then again, on the puppies, this is Douglas. He is adorable. I don't know if he's necessarily a wiener, but he looks like he can be, so he is, in my book. That's a beautiful size. Oh, it's gorgeous size. And the heart. Let's see. There's a lot going on back there. So, that's adorable. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And then, of course, again, with the dog theme, puppy paws, because there's a wiener. Adorable. He's adorable, too. Oh, they're adorable. Oh, yes. Okay. So, just a hello. You're kind of you're the kind of a friend everyone needs. Those are adorable. Look at this. Oh, I love the size. Oh. And this could totally be my my new puppies. Well, they're not puppies. Well, they are. They're a year old now. My Great Pyrenees. And then I couldn't resist because every stamp was a must. Let me get these out of the way. And it was the Kid of the Month from Unity. I absolutely fell in love with the rabbit, the girl, the flowers, the chicken, the couple, just everything about it. Loved it. The sentiments are fabulous. Ooh, look at all the goodies. What is that? Oh, and you get some goodies with it? Look at the size of those stamps. That one. Oh, that's gorgeous. I need to watercolor that. I just saw Wandering Dreamer. She did a card just recently with this image, and he's just so cute. I love the bunny with the hat. So yeah, comes with a create, play, and inspire of all their images and how to make them. That's cute. I like that. But yeah, and then it came with this little cuteness. Little scrap paper. Little tag. I love the little bag. That's cute. It's like some cut aparts. Oh, those are adorable. Oh, those are adorable. Love. Love, 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 love. So I couldn't resist. So I think I don't think I subscribed. I think I just bought the kit itself, which is fine. I really don't need to be subscribing. With the wedding coming up and Uncle Sam is knocking at the door. Ooh, and I got something else. What is this? Oh, those are cute little sentiment strips and little fun tags. I like those. Those are cute. Oh, well, maybe I did get this membership. Welcome to our Unity company and our memberships. It's cute. Tiny sample of ephemera from Unity. This is exciting. Oh, pretty tags. Love. Pretty. I love that one. Oh, yeah, recipe one? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Cute. I love those. Got a little bit of a sheen to it, but not too bad, so I can work with that. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, my goodness. This is delicious. That's it. No, that's not it. Oh. Enamored, appreciated, and desired. What is it in here? Cute little stamps. Is that it? That's cute. I can't even read it. I need my glasses, sorry. Happy Valentine's Day. And then a little, kind of like a little date stamp. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Adorable. Adorable. So, yeah. So that's my collection from, or my, what do you want to call it? I lied on my spending sprees. But I mean, this is with good intentions because I absolutely need wedding and car. I did buy one other stamp on eBay. It's a close to my heart and it's been retired for like ever. I've been trying to find it for the past probably year and a half because my grandsons are into monster trucks. Like they love Gravedigger, all of them, including, you know, the unicorn sparkle one. That's one of their favorites. So I did pick up this. It came on eBay, and so I had to snag it. And this is the, I believe it's called Maximum Power Everyday Life. And it's got the monster truck. I don't know if you can see that. If I had a piece of white paper. Here, this will do. So I mainly got it for the monster truck and the tire tracks. These will be good for, you know, a masculine card, but yeah, those were my main two things I had to get it for. For my grandsons, because they get everything with just a smile. But yeah, so that's all I have right now. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.